Hi, good afternoon viewers and my dear friends. We are once again here in the new year. So welcoming 2019. So wish you all and the viewers a very happy new year on behalf of Raina Khatri Tandon. I thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you. So I work in the areas of coaching, training and mentoring. So sir was just asking me. I work in areas of non-violent communication, I do corporate training, I also do breakthrough coaching. I'm also an author of 2 books and my 3rd book is getting launched on 20th of January. So that's again on relationships. So I'm just written one article based on the other topics. So today we are labyrinth of relationships. So maybe we can talk about that and I can give you the details of the session. I also work in areas of how you can visualize yourself into a person who you dream. So it works on motivational levels, it works on how you can work non-violent communication ways. So it will have also basics of relationships, it will have basics of how you can be somebody who can associate to become, to understand what is the need and feelings of the other person. Today we are talking a little different from the emotional topic because we are welcoming the new year. So we thought we'll just talk about goals and visions. And one important aspect which we work is visioning or visionizing what we want to become. Right. Vision karna and dream hona ek cheez hai. But to make it your goal, basically, you need to have some path. So if a dream has to become a goal, what is the difference? Why is a dream different from a goal? What do you think? What is different?
Dream is a big picture.
Okay.
And goal is a specific.
Yeah.
Timely, measurable.
Absolutely. But today we are not just going to go into goal setting. We are going to be looking at how we can make a realistic goal.
Yes.
The first thing when 2019 or any new year comes is only 1 week before and 1 week after you will think about goals. कि अभी मुझे भागना चालू करना चाहिए, अभी मुझे पतला होना चाहिए, अभी मैं इस साल ज़रूर ये चीज़ करके दिखाऊंगा, अभी मुझे ये साल में इतना टारगेट करना है. My financial goal is this. I want to buy a house. I want to buy a car. So you start making only goals when you remember New Year. Why is that not important when you are there in other part of the months or you are throughout the other part of the year? In fact, goals should be there every time, right? So why do we remember goals only in the beginning of the new year? Is it important?
Start easy for new year, so easy way out.
But you start your day every day, right? Exactly, year comes after 1 full year. Every day you're getting up, every day you have to set a goal. That today what am I going to do? God has given how many hours? Simple. You also have 24, I also have 24. What we make use of it is up to us. Right? It's easy to say I am going to set this goal. Most common goals, do you know? Hi, come. What is the most common goals we set?
रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
रोटी कपड़ा मकान. और कुछ गोल रहता है?
Yes, financial.
फाइनेंशियल गोल, मनी गोल. और कौन सा गोल रहता है? मनी एंड हेल्थ. वाओ, हेल्थ पे आए तो सही. Somebody spoke about health. So we had health, we had money, we had also financial goals, we had personal goals. Anybody has relationship goals?
It should be, but
You can sit here, maybe this will comfortable.
नहीं करते.
नहीं करते. So you have relationship goal होना चाहिए ना?
We try, but it doesn't.
You try. Okay, so which kind of relationship do you work on? Which kind of relationship do you nurture?
Like I'm not having good terms with my dad.
Correct. So do you make a goal कि इस साल मैं अपने डैड के साथ अच्छा बिहेव करने वाला हूँ, या इस साल आई एम गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग विद माई चाइल्ड, और दिस ईयर आई एम गोइंग टू गिव मोर टाइम टू माई वाइफ और मोर टाइम टू माई मदर, और आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प इन द किचन. हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट दोस काइंड ऑफ गोल्स? व्हाई? Why? Mostly they are only, I think this is the most common kind of goals we have. Work, okay, somewhere health, finance, always finance and work come on the top list. Right? Health comes somewhere in the middle. What else we said? Aims, dreams, goals. हाँ, self.
Self development also.
ये करते हैं हम लोग, करते हैं.
Some new courses to be
Most
attended.
ignored.
The most what?
Ignored.
Ignored.
अभी awareness आ गया.
अभी awareness आ रही है. Okay, so what do you do for self?
To grow, I mean, try to do something to grow as a good human.
Learn new skills.
Yes. So do you spend money on learning new skills?
Yes.
He said no. You are saying yes. So which skill, if I have to ask?
Depends on the interest you have.
Okay, depends on the interest you have. So if I have to understand, first we have to know why we are setting this goal. What is the significance of setting a goal? If we want to get a realistic goal, first we have to understand the reality of what is the significance of this goal. So I'll just tell you a story.
This is mainly to uplift to certain next level.
Correct. That is, you're doing for self goal. But why do we need to do a goal? Why do we need to set a goal? Okay.
Because of competition, because of this thing, you have to go to next year always.
Okay. Now we'll think about this story. There was Arun. Arun is walking on the road, and suddenly he comes to a crossroad. And he stops at the crossroad, and he's asking a person, an old man near him, where does this crossroad lead me? So what does the old man say? The old man says, the crossroad leads you multiple ways. Where do you want to go? आपको कहाँ जाना है? तो बोलते हैं I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता. So he says, if you don't know, then how does it matter you going anyway?
Take any road.
Go this way, or go that way, or go that way. We are also moving like that, aimlessly. Right? Do we know what is that we are running for daily? We go for work, we come back home, we look after our children. What is the main aim?
Just to survive.
Okay, वो तो रोज कोई भी survive करते हैं.
Actually it should not be, but हम लोग वो level से ही जाते हैं.
Correct.
Just to आज का दिन निकल गया ठीक है.
For better life.
और better life वो भी सोचा तो अच्छा है, लेकिन वो नहीं है.
Bread earning.
आप नहीं भी रन करेंगे तो कोई भी survive करेगा, right? Any living being in this earth, even if he doesn't run, he still survives. For instance, a plant also survives, an animal also survives, a beggar also survives, and you and me also survive. Right? So, coming to the point that yes, we all survive, because this is not for survival that we need to set a goal. We need to set a goal for a particular purpose in our life. So, how can we live is to first set an outcome. So, if we know the outcome planned, this should be your step 1. What is the outcome I am aiming at? What is that I want in life? If I have the set outcome mainly known, कि ये चीज़ के लिए मैं ज़िंदगी चल रहा हूँ, ये चीज़ के लिए मैं अर्निंग कर रहा हूँ, ये चीज़ के लिए मैं relationships बना रहा हूँ, this is my set outcome. Once the main set outcome is known, can you work backwards towards it? To the first step? You are here. But if only when I know the goal, will I know this? When I sit in a rickshaw, if I know the destination only, can I say where I am going? And I traverse that journey. But when I don't know, this is like you are here as a sun. Can a sun burn anything? You are a person who's having abilities. You have lot of abilities. You have lot of talents. But your talents are not getting prioritized in the right way. Because You are not setting what is the outcome. अगर आपको फाइनल आउटकम पता है कि मुझे एक महीने में 10 kgs रिड्यूस करना है, so what will you do? You will work towards it. But if I don't know, I will simply keep running the treadmill every day. So whether I lose 2 kgs or 10 kgs, how does it matter? If I know I want to buy a house maybe in 6 months, so I know I have to spend about 2.5 crores minimum to buy a house, say in, I'm talking about the western suburbs, so somewhere in Mira Road to Goregaon, I want to buy a 2 BHK. So I will start working towards it. But if I don't know I want to buy a 2 BHK, how will I set my every monthly income plan? How will I set ki how much will I need to earn? I will not know. Right? So keep the outcome in mind always. Step 1 is that. When you want to specify a realistic goal, the outcome should be known to you first. What is that I want? Of course, there are different kinds of goals. We'll come to the goals again. What are the different kinds of goals? How do we set it? Everything. So the first is to know why are we doing it. Like a sun. If you have sun's light coming everywhere, can it burn anything? Sun is coming even to us, right? Is it burning us? But if I keep a measuring glass and I have all the sun's rays here and this is paper, what will happen? क्या होगा? Because all the light is getting concentrated at one point. So maximum heat एक जगह पे लग रही है, एक जगह पे लग रही है, so what's happening? The paper will get burnt. So we are like that. We have lot of abilities, we have lot of talents, but we don't prioritize, we don't plan, we don't organize ourselves. हम लोग डेली कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, बस कर रहे हैं, सर्वाइवल के लिए कर रहे हैं, जी रहे हैं, जी रहे हैं, जी रहे हैं. And then we say we want to be successful in this area, we want to be team building, we want to be a company proprietor, we want to leave our job and become a business owner, we want to have a big travel industry, we want to become a big coach or trainer, we want to be a good speaker, whatever. Or even, so there are multiple things which we want to do, but if we want to do that, we have to be focused on what can lead us there. So that this spark which is there inside us will be focused to that zone. So that area will make you shine. Do you get that? Now, so if you know what is your outcome set, why do you want to set goals now? You know there are goals. So how many types of goals can be there? Many. Here, okay, and this is a big ground. If I don't have a goal post, this is goal post. So there are many people here. So you keep moving. How long will you keep moving? You'll keep playing in the football ground. If you don't have a goal post, what will happen? आपका minimum aim क्या है football match में? Only when you have a target, you have a main purpose, you have a main goal, you know where to. If you don't have a target, you will only be hitting the ball here, you will only be running around the football ground and you will get tired. That's why we get tired and stressed, because we are just running the life and we are not working towards a realistic goal. Now, how many types of goals are there you said? How many types of goals are there? 10. This is my number, so maybe you can take it later. For instance, this overview, आप बताइए कितने goals होंगे? How many goals will be there?
Career goals.
Okay, so there could be career goals, so that's work. What else? Health. Finance. Education. Anybody who's working in social areas, so there will be a social goal that I want to help somebody. There could be a fitness goal, that is health. There could be an educational goal, I want to be educated or I want my children to get. There could be relationship goals.
Yes.
What else? Work हो गया, education हो गया. Personal goals are there.
Personal.
I want personal development.
Yes, self-development.
There could be some parenting goals. People who have elderly people and they have goals.
Right.
So you set towards them. So there are different kinds of goals. So can they be defined in short goals, long goals or mid-level goals?
Yes, yes.
You wanting to buy a house is a big goal. You wanting to buy a car can be depending on your finances, it could be small or big. You wanting to just win a football match can be even smaller. You wanting to do a speaking engagement can be even smaller. Okay, I'm going to be finding out where I can go and speak or where I can go and dance or where I can go and perform or even adding value. Now I have certain initiatives of doing social goal. So I can find gardens, I can start educating myself towards laughter therapy, yoga, Mandela therapy, whatever it is, and I can go out and do it for people. So my social initiative also will get satisfied. My financial initiative may get satisfied. I am also getting educated and I am doing my own personal development also. Yes or no?
Yes.
So keeping in mind that these goals can be either, they can be short, long or mid-level goals, right? Now, if I want to develop a long goal, do I make a systematic step-by-step process?
Yes.
You cannot reach a long goal if you don't have a step-by-step process. So if I have to make a chart of say 1 year, in 1 year, what do you want to do for example? For example, एक साल में आपको क्या करना है? एक goal बताइए.
Open a restaurant.
Open a restaurant, very good. So you can open a restaurant now. So you need investment of say this much amount, say maybe I don't know 1 crore, depending on the people who you want to hire, the space, the locality, the rental, the food, the people you are going to get into, who is going to be doing marketing for you, all those things. पूरा business plan बनाना है. So you will start making the business plan. How many people do you need? What is the digital marketing fare? What is the, in case you want to spend on the website and other things. And also promoting yourself and the people who are going to come and work for you. So you will also make, अगर ये मुझे 12 months में बनाना है, तो 1 महीने में कितना बनाना है? You will break it up to a little more closer goal. 1 महीने में इतना बना तो 1 week में कितना बनाना है? So if I want to know in 1 week I want to get this, can I get it only by one source? Can I get it only by one source? No. So I have to think of multiple sources. Some people say by writing books you get some money. Some people say okay you can go out and socialize and do events and you can get some money. So first I have to develop a realistic goal. If I say in 1 month I am going to reduce 10 kgs, is it possible? In 1 month how many days are there? 30 days. If I say 1 month में 30 kgs reduce करना है, is that a realistic goal? Not at all possible. एक दिन में 1 kg आप reduce कर सको? Can you do it?
No.
I have not even started walking. So I have to first start walking. I have to develop stamina. Then I have to keep running and then I have to maintain that level. So why these goals don't work is because you have to first look at timelines. What is the time frame I am looking at? And is that realistic? What are the challenges and barriers I am going to get? So some days I am going to be lazy. Some days I won't feel like going. Some days I will feel कि आज नहीं करते, कल करते. Or maybe I'm not going in the morning, I'll go in the evening. So keeping all that in mind, out of 30 days, if 20 days I'm going to do it, 20 days, what is the realistic amount of kgs I can reduce?
Based on your skill also.
Yes, on your skill, on your ability, on your talent, what is the kind of goal you are pursuing? कितना money आप लेके आ सकते हैं? And don't be too harsh. Follow always 3F. What is 3F? Be flexible. So don't be too hard on yourself.
Focus.
Be focused. And be generous. So be funny. Go and enjoy life also sometimes. Give yourself some time, some space, and think about how it can be realistic. But if I don't consider it to be
Slightly stretched.
yeah, slightly stretched. Now we'll come to that. Why goal has to be more pushy.
Pushy.
I cannot just say, okay, in 1 month's time I'm only going to reduce 1 kg. Then you will be only, ठीक है, पूरा month पड़ा है ना, so हो जाएगा. That is not a goal which is driving you. If I say I want to really look like that gentleman who's really fit and fine, then it shows a difference. And you'll be always driving towards it. Right? So, let us see how you can fix what are the different kinds of goals. So, I'm going to give you a paper and a pen. You are going to write the different kinds of goals you have, and we are going to draw something called as the wheel of life. We're going to see what are our different zones, how much of time we are giving into it, and how much of time we need to focus it. This helps us to develop more goals easily. Okay? So I'll be giving out the paper. Maybe you can just put it on hold for some time. And we can do this at. Yeah. So each of you can take one sheet. Okay, everybody has? Okay, so draw a circle.
Pen or something?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. We have pencils and pen. Okay, that's it.
Draw a circle now.
Yeah, you please draw a circle, then divide it into 4 parts. Like this. Then again divide it into 4 parts. So you have 8 parts. So this is your wheel of life. Now the centermost part is about 0 and the outermost is 10. Okay. So now you have 8 different parts of your life. So this is going to develop the goal of your life. So the outermost is 10. So now write 10 different areas of your life. So like I said, personal. I have a personal goal. So I'll probably put personal. I have a family goal. So I'll put family. I have a relationship goal. So I'll put relationship. It could be a passion goal. I want to become something. So you can write passion. You can write financial. You can write family goal. Family is already there. So social goal. So whatever your goal is, relationship, personal, family, health, you don't need to look here, but just to get an idea, what are the different goals you would want in your life to be? Travel goal, personal growth. So it could be personal growth. It could be travel. It could be business. So it could be anything. Just write your 8 areas where you want to grow. Different aspects. Okay? So everybody written? Now, once you have written that, on this scale from 0 to 10, 10 is on the border, 0 is in the center. Mark how much do you give yourself a rating, that how much time do you spend on that goal.
At
So if
present.
at present.
Not the one.
Not what you want. So if I am going to say health, I am going to put it somewhere here. Maybe personal growth over here. Family. Whatever you want. So just keep marking what you feel. So you've got your points here.
How much time you're giving?
So just mark. It will take 2 minutes. You want to think? You can take 2 more minutes. That's fine. There is no time frame. Have you done?
Yes.
Now, wherever you have marked the points, just join all of them. Have you joined it? So inside your circle, you're supposed to have another circle. So it says that you are quite balanced with your wheel of life. So if you don't have a circle inside, that means somewhere you are focusing less, somewhere you are focusing more. Right? And what is more important to you? Start focusing on that. Okay, I need to develop somewhere on my family, for instance. So I need to give more time with my family. So maybe if I am giving more time to my work, somewhere I have to take a time for my family. It's quite possible that Saturday, Sunday मुझे हर बार जाना हो. My work requires that. I could be in sales, I could be night shift, I could be into any kind of profession where it requires. So maybe one of the other days I have to sit at home and give that time to family. For example, my passion. Am I actually taking out passion? I want to do swimming, I want to do badminton, I want to be a good guitar player, I want to sing a song, I want to be a rap singer or a radio singer or anything. Am I spending that time? Or my financial goal? Am I planning my finances properly? Am I calling the bank guy and understanding mutual funds and stocks and shares, investing properly? So even if I spend or get so much money, if I plan it properly in different areas, I can still save it well. Right? अगर मैं इतना भी लेके आऊँ, फिर भी अगर मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लान कर सकूँ, उससे भी आदमी का पैसा ग्रो होता है, right? There are different ways where people say, okay, if you invest in this, you will be able to get more money. I'm not saying all ways are right, but you can look into what is good for you, and you can invest. So ideally, this should be your circle of life. It should be in the form of a circle. This gives you an idea. So it's not going to give you a bad vision, but it's giving you a clarity कि आप अपने goals में कहाँ हैं. So you need to work on it. Now, you know where to work on. You know there are short-term, long-term goals. You know it has to be realistic. And I told you, fine, don't be too harsh on yourself. But there are certain barriers, certain challenges. You will say, ma'am, पर हम लोग तो goal set करते हैं लेकिन होता नहीं है. नहीं होता है. क्यों नहीं होता है? कुछ तो कुछ बीच में आ ही जाता है. तो क्या बीच में आता है?
Barriers and all that.
What are the barriers?
Procrastination.
Yes, very good. What else?
Discipline, not discipline.
Very good. discipline,
Only thinking, no
procrastination, thinking,
action. No action.
no action, determination,
Failures.
very good, failure, fear,
चलता है attitude.
चलता है, आज नहीं कल
आज
करते
नहीं
हैं,
कर.
fear, am I good enough,
Yes.
मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, procrastination, it's okay, I mean maybe I am not that person who can do this, I am not that good enough, I am not as beautiful as that person, I cannot be like her, maybe I am not somebody who can do this ever and pushing it all the time, fear of failure, okay करूँगा तो शायद मैं नहीं जीतूंगा,
पहले भी फेल हो चुका हो तो
okay पहले भी फेल हो चुका हूँ तो now I remember this two stories. One is a farmer was there, he has a dog, okay, so this dog used to always come and sit on the road, and whenever he sees a car, the dog used to run behind the car and try to chase it. So a man came and asked this farmer, so why does your dog always chase when a running car is coming? So does he want to catch it? I said, I am not worried about whether he wants to catch it. I am thinking about if he catches the car, then what will he do? चींटी की कहानी देखिए, कितनी बार ऊपर चढ़ के नीचे गिरी है, ऊपर चढ़ के नीचे गिरी है, ऊपर चढ़ के नीचे गिरी है. वो तो हम लोग सबने छोटे थे तभी भी सीखा था स्टोरी में. If I have to say one more example of discipline, determination, there was this fisherman. This is a real story. So I was somewhere abroad and I was seeing this man and he was always holding the net and trying to pull out fishes. So I was thinking, why is he actually pulling out fishes? And बड़ी मछली निकलती थी तो वो फेंक देता था पानी में वापस. छोटी मछली निकलती थी वो रख देता था. मैं बोला मछली तो मछली होती है ना. So why is he throwing that away? So why do you think वो क्यों करता था ऐसा?
He doesn't like big fish.
Okay, this is the man. इतना बड़ा लेक है, he doesn't like big fishes is a very good. अब वो तो fisherman है भाई.
वो कल के लिए अरेंजमेंट.
Okay, इतनी बड़ी मच्छी है. I'm sorry for the fish. It's not like a fish, but ठीक है.
बड़ी मछली है तो छोटी मछली ऑटोमेटिकली आएगी.
So अगर उसको बड़ी मछली मिल रही है, so he should be happy.
He might not be confident of selling it.
Yes, but one very important thing is that you don't have your own self-esteem. You don't have your self-confidence. आपको लगता है कि मैंने कैसे कर दिया ये? मतलब फ्लूक से कर दिया क्या तो भी? If for instance somebody comes and appreciates you, you don't even want to take the appreciation sometimes. You don't even feel that, oh my God, I broke this goal.
Not worthy.
I'm not so worthy enough, but I have done it. मतलब मैंने 2 kg सोचा था लेकिन 4 kg reduce कर दिया. So next month, you know, I can let go. And you let it loose. This man, why he threw that big machi away was, the explanation he gave to a man who went past and said to the fisherman, why are you throwing away the big fish and taking only the small fish? He said, because I have a small pan at home. I don't have a big pan at home. मेरे पास बड़ा पैन नहीं है, इसके लिए मैं बड़ी मच्छी फेंक देता हूँ और छोटी मच्छी सब रख देता हूँ. So this is unawareness of your own priorities, unawareness of setting goals, no idea that you can be so efficient, no idea of how goals can be set. Can goals be just set overnight? Can I just say, okay, I want to become the Prime Minister of India tomorrow? I can't. I need to work towards what are the steps. So there will be a step 1. Then from step 1 I have to go to step 2. From step 2 I have to go to step 3. Yes, there can be hard work. There can be smart work. But I have to follow the steps A, B, C. You cannot jump from grade 1 to grade 5. You have to go through grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. Right? And then you will come to it. That yes, you are successful. But yes, sometimes if you have jumped the step and reached there, at least applaud yourself. Number 1 step is outcome. Know your outcome. Number 2 step is have clarity of what you want in life. Set your goals which are realistic. People say for goals, we always follow this system called SMART. How many of you have heard this?
Yes.
Anybody heard of SMART?
Yes.
Everybody heard? Not heard? Okay. So we'll go through it. SMART. What is S?
Specific.
Be specific. Be specific what you want. Restaurant. Which restaurant? How big? Is it a veg? Is it a non-veg? How big is the restaurant? How many people should be sitting? I should have everything in my head. How many people should be there in the team? Can I run it without my marketing? Can I run it without promotion? Can I run it without having a space? After that, what is the investment? If I have everything in a map, then I can visualize my goal that in 2 years' time I'm going to have a restaurant. Be specific. Be
Measurable.
measurable.
Yes.
If I don't have my finances in place, if I don't know the numbers in my head, how can I say I'm doing business? How can I say I'm going to be a billionaire or a multi-millionaire or even a lakpati businessman when I don't have my numbers in my head? I don't know how many people I'm meeting, I don't know how much business I'm looking at, what is the investment, what are the numbers, in every month how much I'm going to do. If I don't know this, how am I going to know it? How many clients I'm meeting? A.
Achievable.
Don't start flying. Roosevelt said that always be focused, always be flexible, always be good. Think about something which is achievable. Be good to yourself, be soft to yourself. When you say achievable goals, always look for the stars, but keep your legs on the ground.
Yes.
Aim for the stars, but keep your foot on the ground. Be grounded. You can become the most brilliant person in the world, but always be grounded. You've seen all the big celebrities. People who are grounded are people who are more known. I can keep taking umpty number of names, but yeah, like Amitabh Bachchan is there. He's so well known, but still people give him so much love. I, you, he doesn't know anybody, nobody knows him personally. But if we get to meet him, he's still humble. We see that, right? There are umpty number of other people. So, if you're not grounded, it's difficult to always keep reaching the stars. By once you can reach by fluke. Not every time, right? Because you need to build good relationships also. R.
Realistic.
Realistic?
Yes.
So I need a realistic goal. Like I said, you can be only focused to getting this much based on your talent. There could be challenges. फैमिली में नहीं हो पाएगा, बच्चे भी हैं, बड़े भी हैं, उनको भी देखना है, एजुकेशन का भी खर्चा होगा, ये भी होगा, वो भी होगा. वो that also has to be kept in mind, no? Only the goal can't be kept in mind. There has to be challenges, there'll be barriers, there'll be unnecessary interruptions maybe. Something might just land up, somebody might just fall ill. So you don't know. Even that has to be kept in mind. T.
Time bound.
Time bound. I know in this much time I want to achieve this much. So in that much, if you're able to achieve, very good. If you're able to achieve more, also very good. If you're able to achieve less, don't be difficult. You can always make it up. So they always say follow the SMART system. I say follow the SMART system with the 3 F's, keeping in mind what is that you want to plan, what is that you want to act, organize yourself. You just can't plan. Before you make your dream to your goal and your goal to your dream, you have to plan. After that you act, you organize, you prioritize, and then it becomes your,
Yes.
what does it become? it becomes your reality. It becomes your reality. Without plan and organized prioritization, a realistic goal cannot be realistic. You will not be able to achieve. There will be something coming in the middle all the time. Yeah? So, last but not the least, I think I will share 10 steps which will help you. Do you want to take this so you can keep
We
it?
can add ER also, smarter,
Yes.
enthusiastic.
Yes, absolutely. Why not? Enthusiasm is the best part of life. E and R.
Yes.
Enthusiasm, love yourself, be optimistic. All these are synonyms. And what was R for?
Rational, balanced. Balance between all the 12 suppose.
Wonderful.
ये wheel जो है उसमें balance.
I think Sir has given me such a good perspective. Even I am getting to learn from you guys today. So it's amazing that you can make smart as smarter. So thank you very much for sharing that. So this was one part. And finally, I think I'll share the 10 different steps which I felt helped me to make a realistic goal and just not a goal. Point number 1 is that goals are never meant to be only set in the beginning of the year. Do you agree that?
Yes.
Goals are meant to be set throughout.
Life.
Yeah. So
Continuous.
2019 has just begun. If you have to set a goal, keeping in mind all what we spoke, there has to be first unlocking of your own potential. Everybody is good at something. You agree?
Yeah.
I might be good at something different, you might be good at something else. We can't be the same. But to understand that we all have talents, we all have abilities, we all are good at something. I might be good at laughing, you might be good at dancing, he might be good at singing, you might be good at puppet making, he might be good at business, he might be good at gardening. There could be so many different things. And we can go and help the world. We can help children, we can help the world, we can help grow businesses. So, unlock your own potential, get an idea. An idea gets to a dream when you vision it and take action. It is just that creativity.
Yeah.
What can I do better? Right? So that's number 2. Take charge and action. Without any action, nothing is possible. Your vision also will be just a vision. Dream also will be just a dream. If you want your goals to materialize, there has to be action. There cannot be fear. Fear can come in only once. If I have to think, if I have to just come in today and do this, if I have fear gripping me, can I do it, can I not? Can I do it, can I not? The least is going to happen is, I can't. So that's okay. Let me try. Give it a try. You might falter 10 times. There are people who have faltered 9 different businesses, lost of money. But they had a lot of people to support them. And first support yourself. Always there will be people to drop you down. Always there will be people to procrastinate about you. Always there will be people to talk about you. How does it help you? Is it helping you? Is it helping you? So, take charge and do action. Create your own future. So, there might be a lot of things which people say is karma, is law of attraction, is subconscious mind. Those things work. But first try and work on what you have been blessed with. At least try making an attempt to create your own future on whatever you have been blessed with. The other things will all fall. It will all fall in place to support you. Not that it's right or wrong, but it will support you in your journey. And everybody will be there. So you'll be more shocked. Determine your true goals. What is the realistic goals you're looking at? So, your true identity. What are you capable of?
what are your abilities, what are your beliefs, what are your expectations. All this should be known to you. An awareness of what is inside you and what is your purpose in life, your target in life. In finance, I want this much amount. In family, I want this love. In social goals, I want to empower the people in this area, either in cleanliness or in other initiatives, or in where you want to get people more food, or if you want to lift them from bribery or from slavery or from beggary. So you can list them down. What is that I want? And then work over it. So be specific towards your purpose, specific and target oriented. The next is measure progress and hindrances. So you plan, you prioritize, then you're progressing. So when you're progressing, you know in 1 month's time I have progressed this much. In 2 months' time I have progressed this much. In 3 months' time I have still progressed only this much. So I know I am slowing down. So I need to buck up. Plan, progress, keep getting feedback on where you are going wrong and right from the right people. Keep contact only with the right people. Right people means positive people, the people who lift you up, the people who socialize well. It could be people in the family, it could be people in the work, it could be people in your friends, people in your... Anyway, help library. Yes. Anybody who's making you progress, not holding you back. So that you become a source of lifting them up rather than pulling your people down. See, you cannot progress unless you don't make that progress. If you are going to pull your own people down, even you will not progress, even the people around you will not progress. So it is not going to help anybody. Rather be among the right people. Choose the right company wherever you go. Have a start point and deadline. This is my start point. This is my ongoing progress. This is my end point. So I should know my deadline. I should know where I am starting, where I am ending, how I am progressing, and make plan of action. From your dream to your goal. So that's about it. To make it realistic, please be flexible and focused. So that was your realistic goal plan for 2019. I think you should go home and you should write in your diaries. It was an activity which has to be done. Write what are the different goals you would want to achieve with deadlines. It could be short, it could be long-term goals, and have a clear plan. An idea will only change to a dream when you start journaling, because that idea is still in the head. But when you have it on paper, they say we draw vision boards, we draw picture boards. Why we do that is we keep looking at them all the time, and we know that, okay, this restaurant is what I want, this business is what I want, this is where I want to be. It keeps hitting you and telling you, yes, you're meant for it, you're meant for it, you're meant for it, you're meant for it, and it will keep calling you back, and it will become real one day. You would really realize that. So thank you so much, and if there are any questions, you can always ask.
Excellent.